This is the temperature and humidity sensor. Here the HTU21D chip is present on this SW220 board, and through this only we are measuring the temperature and humidity. As we can see here, when we place our finger on that sensor, the temperature is rising. Similarly, we are displaying the temperature also in Fahrenheit, and we can see that value is also changing. And the third parameter is humidity. Similarly, it also changes when the atmospheric temperature and humidity changes. Next is wind direction. This is the anemometer.
Wind speed.
This is the wind speed, and here the anemometer is in rest position, so the speed is 0 meter per second. So we can see here the sensor is moving slowly, so we are getting a low value. When we increase the speed of the sensor, we can see the wind speed also is increasing. The next parameter is wind direction. So when we rotate the sensor for a particular direction, here we can see the display is changing, west, northwest, southwest, we can see here. The next parameter is rain gauge. This is showing 30 millimeter per hour because I have tipped it many times. We can see here now the reading is 30.33 millimeter. When for each tip the value changes for approximately 0.3 mm rainfall. For each tip the value goes on increasing, and for after every hour the value will become again 0 here. Thank you.
So talking about the proof of concept of our ScanAuth product, this is the proof of concept. So let me show all the three functions: enrollment, then scanning, and then deletion one by one. So first let me start with the enrollment process. So for enrollment, we have given this blue button. So when you press this button, it will ask put admin finger. So once it is asking, it will ask please place your finger, and sensor will on. So when the admin's finger is placed, it will ask remove finger, and now it is ready to enroll. So now anyone can start enrolling. So anybody can start enrolling now. Remove, place. Okay, now template number 11 stores successfully. So already we have saved 10 templates. So this is the 11th template. So this has been saved successfully. Now this is the enrollment process. We are asking it twice because just to make sure the fingerprint matches. And next is the I'll go for delete function. So for delete function, if I press this button, it will ask if you want to delete all or delete one. First first one is we'll put delete one. Please place finger. Now it's delete successful. Template number 11 has been deleted successfully. That is the one template which you have placed the finger, that will search in the sensor module, and if it is there, it will delete successfully. So this is delete one. So next I will show search, then finally we'll go for delete all. So for search function, I'm pressing the button. So here it will ask please place your finger. So what that finger has been there now. So it is there in template number 10 user exists. So at this time, see, the door will open. That is, this linear actuator will close and the door will open. So once you have taken, so if it is in the cupboard, when application point of view, if you're taking files from the cupboard and everything is done, so once it is done, so you have to come and press this switch again, so that the door will close. So this is how it works. So this is the search function, and finally now I will show you the delete all. So for that, press the delete button again, and then again it will ask you delete all or delete one. So delete all, this button is given. So please place your finger. This is for admin authorization. So if the admin authorizes, all templates deleted. So this is how it works. And now if you search for anything, please place your finger, any template, user finger not matched, this is how it will show you, and you cannot open the cupboard locking system. So this is how our proof of concept has been designed.
Hi, this is our hardware of the water level controller. Now we use as the conductivity type sensor, that is working of this wire and the sensor is same. Pin goes high, GPIO pin reads 1 and controller knows that sump is empty. When we connect this pin to ground, then it shows an indication of the level, and it is the percentage. Like this floating sensor, we connect the levels, these switches also using this jumper wires here. I connect this jumper wires to ground. If you remove one wire, this one, all the wires are 0, then water is 20%. If you remove one wire, it will showing 60%. Now water is 60% because this sensor reading this pin is now high. When I remove this last this one, it will show the water is level is 100%. The motor is turned off. Here I disconnect the relay. I will connect the relay. Again water goes below. It will again it shows the 60%. Now the water is 60%. Now the water is 20% here. Suppose it goes below the 20%. Motor is turned on. If any voltage, suppose for over voltage, I don't having varying the voltage here. So I reference voltage of an voltage sensor. I will change the reference. Now voltage is 260 volt. It's showing motor turn off. The voltage is high, warning. Until the voltage come back to a normal voltage, it will showing the warning, and the motor will always off to give the protection to the over voltage. Likewise, for if any voltage is below 200 volt, will show warning like voltage low, V low, and motor will turn off. It wait for 10 seconds and check the normal voltage. The normal voltage.
Please click on like and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for regular updates.